3dshoes.com is taking a lot of time to present stories that give you a complete understanding of how the market is beginning to take shape for 3D printed footwear. While we tend to stay serious most of the time in developing these posts, sometimes there is information we run across that makes you say, okay. One of these is a 3D printed washing machine made to clean your kicks. If you take a moment to use the source link, you will note that the article is a few years old, but still, if these are the creations that will coincide with a world dominated by 3D footwear, you have to think that someone had to be laughing while creating this product. Seriously, this is a very interesting concept and solves a problem for some developing countries. The concept for this clever washing machine grew out of necessities in developing countries, Liu Feng tells us. In developing countries where people are continuously building houses and roads, even city areas quickly get your shoes dirty. So I came up with the design of a small size shoe cleaning machine that can wash shoes very quickly while also saving water and electricity.